Welcome to our comparison video where we will delve into the features of the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboards. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value for money, helping you decide which motherboard suits your needs best. Let's get started. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H utilizes the older B450 chipset, which supports first, second, and third generation AMD Ryzen processors. In contrast, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk features the newer B650 chipset, designed to support the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. This difference in chipset technology significantly impacts performance and compatibility with modern components. The socket type is another crucial factor in motherboard selection. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H features the AM4 socket, which is compatible with a wide range of AMD processors. On the other hand, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk uses the AM5 socket, which is tailored for the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors, offering improved performance and future-proofing for users looking to upgrade. When it comes to pricing, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H is significantly more affordable at $94, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users. In contrast, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk is priced at $219, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This price difference is essential to consider based on your specific needs and budget constraints. In conclusion, both motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H is perfect for those on a budget or using older Ryzen CPUs, while the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk is suited for users seeking the latest technology and performance. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.